Bollywood actress Anushka Sharma is creating waves on the internet with her hot pictures on Instagram. The actress has shared stunning pictures of herself in green monokini. Anushka's fans are going gaga over her breathtaking photos. One fan commented, "कोई इतना खूबसूरत कैसे हो सकता?" Another fan wrote, "Hotness overloaded." Queen of Million of Hearts wrote another user. Earlier this month, Anushka had shared a love filled message for her husband, Virat Kohli, on his birthday. She wrote, "No filter needed for this photo and the way you lead your life. Your core is made of honesty and guts of steel, courage that pales out into oblivion. I know no one who can pick themselves up from a dark place like you can. You grow better in every way because you hold on to nothing in you as permanent and are fearless. I know we are not ones to talk to each other through social media like this, but sometimes I just want to scream and tell the world what an amazing man you are. Fortunate are those who really truly know you. Thank you for making everything brighter and more beautiful." Virat and Anushka enjoy a massive fan following on social media. Virat Kohli currently has 167 million followers on Instagram, while Anushka Sharma has 54.6 million followers. Anushka and Virat are one of the most loved couples in the country. They are lovingly called Virushka by their fans. Anushka and Virat had tied the knot in December 2017 in Tuscany, Italy. The couple are blessed with a daughter named Vamika. She was born on January 11 this year. Recently, Vamika came under the radar of trolls after India's loss to Pakistan in the T20 World Cup in Dubai. The little girl received rape threats from online trolls. In the wake of this shameful act, the DCW, Delhi Commission for Women, issued a notice to Delhi police over online rape threats against Virat Kohli's daughter. On the acting front, Anushka had 2 films in the pipeline. She will be seen in Navdeep Singh's Kannada and a biopic of cricketer Jhulan Goswami. The actress was last seen in the film Zero in 2018. She produced the web series Patal Lok and film Bulbul for OTT last year. Patal Lok is a crime thriller web series directed by Avinash Arun and Prasit Roy. The series was produced under Anushka Sharma banner Clean Slate Films. It also stars Neeraj Kabi, Swastika Mukherjee, Ishwak Singh and Abhishek Banerjee and is about a disillusioned cop who lands the case of an assassination attempt gone wrong. Bulbul film co-starred Tripti Dimri, Avinash Tiwari and Pauli Ram and garnered critical acclaim.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.